Hi, this is Kimberly Hobbs-Taylor with K Hobbs Designs, and today I'm going to show you how you can back your double-sided adhesive sheets with adhesive vinyl. This helps to increase its durability, and it makes it repositionable in case you need to remove and reapply. For this process, I start with a sheet of 12 by 12 adhesive vinyl. This one is from Expressions Vinyl. It is their Series 51, and I prefer it because they ship it flat, so you don't have to worry about curled up ends. The double-sided adhesive sheets I get from the glitter guy. It is called Tacky Tape, and it's my preference because glitter does not stick to it, and it has great adhesion, and it's easy to cut. It comes in packs of 10, and they are 12 by 17 inches long, and a link to purchase can be found in the description. The first thing I do is get it ready to cut. So I put my adhesive vinyl over my tacky tape to see how much I need to remove. And then I will take my rotary cutter and cut it just a little bit past the length of that sheet of adhesive vinyl. Next, I will slide that adhesive vinyl underneath the tacky tape and then line them both up. To keep them from sliding, I will place my arm over both sheets and then pull up the corner of one of the edges. Next, I will tuck that in between the tacky tape sheet and the adhesive vinyl, and then press down and burnish those sheets together. This will create a flap in the back that allows you to pull, and then as you pull, you can lay down flat to press those two sheets together. Next, I flip it over and then cut off any excess of the remaining tacky tape that's left, so that you're just left with one full sheet of 12 by 12 vinyl backed with the tacky tape double-sided adhesive. Next, you can place your sheet on your standard cutting mat and cut your template out based on these recommendations for your specific machine. If you're looking for a place with step-by-step detailed instructions to complete the cups like the ones you see listed here, I have these and so many more available in my mentorship group at patreon.com/KHobbsX. They include full supply lists, discount codes, and opportunities to participate in monthly giveaways. If you enjoyed this content, be sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so you are notified when new content is posted.